Hello, good morning. I'm Suzun. Today I would like to show you the home and living issues title named Terrace houses in Malaysia and how to promote urban home gardening. There are many types of homes in Malaysia. For example, bungalow, semi-detached houses, terrace houses, and cluster houses. Represent for landed properties. Terrace houses is the most common type of residential property in Malaysia, which 38% of respondents. There are two categories of terrace houses: without home gardens, with home gardens. Without home garden, it is difficult for people who intend to do a home gardening. It is not enough place though, and no participant will willing to push the urban home gardening project, causing it to halt. Fortunately, during COVID-19 pandemics, under the movement under control (MCO), many Malaysians stuck at home, either working from home or lost their jobs. So they may find the activities to fulfill their free times during this period. So example, gardening. So it helped to reduce the depressions, and second, it will provide the fresh and healthy food from the product that you produce. So there are some policies to promote the urban home gardening. So the first one is zoning regulation, and the second one is the water management policies. It promotes rooftop gardens, which can be used for growing plant, relaxing, or hosting events. For water management policies, is to promote rainwater harvesting and greywater to reuse in the terrace houses. And the third is urban planning and design. It is integrated urban gardening spaces into the planning and the design of the new development. This is another example of Penang housing policies. So this table shows about the low-cost housing, which is preferred to B40, and so this table shows that the provisions, the contributions, and the ceiling prices. So that's all for me. Thank you. Bye bye.